Here is the Pentax Espio 115. The overall is like this. Then here is the battery compartment, and if your camera comes with the strap, you can find it. And here, the small tools is to open the battery cover, like that. So this camera is using one CR123A battery. Okay, next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover. When we put the film in, we need to slide into it to let the motor fit into the center part of the canister, like that, and push it in. Then the film tip, put under here. Next, you need to make sure that the film is flat like this. Then the film tip, you put under here. Yeah. Usually the camera will show you where to put it. Yeah, you see here. Then you just close it. Okay, so here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. So press it. This red button at here is the on-off button. Then here is the zoom. Then this is the macro. And here is the shutter button, viewfinder. We look into the viewfinder. At the center point there, got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim the thing that you want to focus and half press. Okay, you see? The left side there got two lights, one is green and another one is red. The red one stands for flash and the green stands for focus. So if it doesn't blink, which means that it's focused completely, then you just press it. And if it's like this, yeah, you see the red lights keep blinking, which means that it doesn't ready yet, so you need to wait for a while. Okay, now it can't focus, maybe I adjust a bit. Yeah, like that. Then here is the timer setting, so it's like 10 seconds. When you half press and press it, okay, then you will have a red light light up, means that it start counting already. Okay, next thing is this one is the remote. If your camera comes with remote, it will usually put at here, so you just push it out. Okay, so here you can see that this is the different zoom range, and this is the fire shutter button. So I click the zoom first. Then I press the shutter. Yeah. And if you didn't use it, you just like off it lah. Okay, then push it back. And here have a light, and when you in a very dark environment, you can press it to see like the current setting is what. And here is the landscape mode. If you click it, then it will focus to infinity. Like that is off. This is the red eye reduction. Wow, I've tried before and it doesn't seem like got any difference. Then this is the flash setting. Force flash, off the flash, night mode. On the flash, night mode. This one is bulk mode without flash. Bulk mode is when you click the shutter, and if you didn't release, it will keep open until you release it. Yeah. Then bulk mode with flash, and this is fully auto. I recommend beginner use fully auto will do. Yeah. And here is the panorama mode. You will see that the viewfinder will become narrow. If you switch to normal, then yeah, it's bigger. And here got a small thing, is designed for people who wear specs or glasses. When you look into it, you might feel that it's blurred without, so you just adjust it until you see it's clear, then it's clear. Next is the cross date function, which is date imprinting. So for this camera, the year format is until 2019, so you can adjust it by using the date and the time. Yeah, by clicking select, it will blink, so you just adjust to the time you want. Yeah. If you don't want the date imprinting, so you just click until here, it will do. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using.